Want to back up and restore text messages on Android easily? Google Drive works but skips ms. Here are 5 better ways to do it effortlessly. Way 1. Back up and restore text messages on Android via Android Backup and Restore. With a computer, you can easily back up, view, and even print texts. If you need to back up SMS and restore them to any Android device, try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. Step 1. Ensure you've downloaded and installed the program on a computer, then launch it and link Android to the computer via USB. You may now need to enable USB debugging on your phone to have it identify. Step 2. When the phone is detected, click the backup option from the main screen, and you'll see various file types on the interface. Step 3. Mark Messages and click Browser to specify a specific location of your computer to save the texts. Finally, you can click Backup to save SMS from Android to your computer and manage SMS as you like. How do I retrieve old messages from backup via Android Backup and Restore? When you reach the main interface of the program, click Restore and mark messages from the backup files. Then tap Restore again to put the messages from this computer to your Android phone. Way 2. Back up and restore messages on Android with Google Drive. Swipe down, tap Settings, Account, Google. Go to Backup, Backup Now. Your backups, including SMS, will appear on Google Drive's main screen. Way 2. Back up and restore messages on Android with Google Drive. Backup. Install app. Go to Settings, Backup and Restore. Select Data. Tap Backup to SD card. Restore. Open app. Tap Restore. Choose Backup. Drawbacks: SD cards can be damaged, limited in storage, and insecure if lost. Way 4. Back up and restore SMS on Android with SMS Backup and Restore. Backup. Open app. Accept permissions. Tap Backup. Select Call Logs. Choose Cloud. Set preferences. Tap Backup Now. Restore. Tap top left. Grant permissions. Tap Restore. Find backup. Tap Restore. Set as default if needed. Way 5. Back up and restore SMS history using SMS Backup Plus. Backup. Open app. Tap Backup. Select Call Logs. Choose Cloud. Tap Backup Now. Restore. Tap Restore. Find backup. Tap Restore. Set as default.